This is what she looks like when she sits on me. She's currently spending about an hour or two a day sitting on me like this, watching TV shows and films on my laptop with me. I mean, how adorable does she look like that? And Kermit's in the background. I think he's a bit jealous that she spends so much time sitting on me. He keeps sitting on my head, though. Don't worry, guy. Don't worry. I swear it almost doesn't feel real sometimes that she sits on me so much. Feels like a dream or something. I mean, look how small she is compared to my fingers. She's so tiny. I just wish I could shrink down to her size and give her a big hug. Maybe sit on her back and go for a flight around the room. Do you want to say something? No, I think she's getting a bit tired. I hope wherever you are, whatever you're doing, you're having a lovely day. And we will see you again soon. Goodbye.